When you choose the ideal implant, you not only enjoy the beautiful look and feel you are looking for and the peace of mind of only saline inside, you're also automatically enrolled at no cost in the Ideal Implant Basic Protection Plan. This provides you with financial assistance of up to $3,500 to help with uninsured, out-of-pocket surgery costs for deflation for 10 years. An optional Ideal Implant Premium Protection Plan is also available through your surgeon to provide best-in-class protection above that available with any other implant. This affordable plan includes more extensive financial assistance to help you avoid the cost and worry of unexpected uninsured costs. Even better, the plan is renewable for life for greater peace of mind and financial protection. The Ideal Implant Premium Protection Plan includes $10,000 protection during the first 60 days after your procedure for bleeding, infection, anesthesia, blood clots, and wound healing events. $5,000 protection during the first year for capsular contracture, deflation, insertional scar revision, and related events. $5,000 protection during subsequent years for capsular contracture, deflation, insertional scar revision, and related events. Both plans include a free Ideal Implant replacement during your lifetime for deflation and for the first 10 years for capsular contracture. With Ideal Implant, you enjoy a beautiful, natural look and feel, the confidence of instant rupture detection, and the peace of mind of only saline inside. Now you can also enjoy affordable, lifetime protection for your investment. Simply enroll in the Premium Protection Plan with your surgeon prior to your procedure for only $189 for primary breast augmentation, or $249 if exchanging existing implants. Each year, renewal is only $79.
As an Ideal Implant Premier Surgeon, Dr. Stephen Ringler is proud to offer his patients in the greater Grand Rapids area the latest technology in breast enhancement. Dr. Ringler stands among the nation's most experienced Ideal Implant surgeons, with unsurpassed expertise in helping women achieve beautiful results without compromising their peace of mind. Contact Dr. Ringler's office today for a no-obligation consultation.